How much time you guys got left?
About a gallon apiece. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Big old girls.
How much? 14?
In about 14 minutes.
14 minutes. Let's see comparisons. What? Well, get in there.
Don't worry about it. They got 2 glasses here. You can go potty in.
Don't do like Scott does and pee in the yard. Hang on, I gotta zoom in on that.
On my pee?
No. Okay. Where's yours, Scott? Let's see how much you got left.
Ooh, he licked his finger out.
That was a pee thumb.
Gross. Shut the door. Oh, dude, you got a lot to go.
Hey, peeping Tom. Alright, so me and Al are officially just freshly filled. I need my own little video. Let me shake.
There's my husband climbing fences.
Hey!
See, they're starting to back down. They're down. Get your bug up your jug out.
Your bug out. Get your
bug
bug
jug.
out. Yeah! What's it look like? A beetle?
Alright, so we officially hit 14.
Okay, so Scott's is on the right, Al's is on the left.
12 minutes.
12 minutes to go. You guys better get busy.
There's Al. We just both freshly filled up. Al?
Full. Feeling good though. Sitting down ain't working.